Hello guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to tell you how to get free stuff online. As I have promised you in the previous video that I will tell you how to get free drones. But I thought a lot about it and thought that I should tell you how to get free stuff online. So let's go to the mobile main screen of the app which I was talking about. In it you can buy anything for free. It's true for free. Now I will tell you how to get free stuff. In it, when you first log in or download the app, they will give you $100 coupon through which you can buy anything you want to buy. As I have signed in already and I have got $100 coupon, and through which I have ordered the drone which you have seen in the previous video. This is the first method to get coupons and buy free stuff. This is the second method. In it they give you daily rewards, but just you have to sign in every day and click this daily button and you will get some points. As I have bought that drone and I have left the balance of 98 points, so let me show you what this 98 points value. This 98 points value $1.96, through which you can buy many things in $1 also, as there are many zones available here in which you can get anything in $1 also. As this is $1 zone, here you can buy anything. This 3.5 mm jack headphone audio cable, 1 male to 2 female, stereo audio Y spinel adapter white, as it is $0.70 and you can buy it, guys. You can buy it only if you download this app and get it free. Yes, it's true, you can get it free. As you can see, here are many things in only $1 only for $1. As you have many points, then you can buy other things also, as there are $1.99 zone, $2.99 zone, $3.99 zone, $4.99 zone, and many others. As you can also buy this drone. It's LED, by making some more points. So let's tell you how to buy the products from here. First of all, choose a product which you want to buy. As I will like to buy this watch, press the buy now option. Press this also. Then you have to fill the address where you have to deliver this product. As I have filled my address, these are the modes of shipping. As I have chosen Indian Express, as I live in India and it's very cheapest, and it will reach you in 7 to 15 days. As you can choose many other options which is more cheap to you. As you can also use this, but as you can see here, it is written that no tracking information you will get, but so it's So we should play safe and choose this only. As you set a password for your GB wallet also. There are only two modes through which you can pay the payment. First debit card, second PayPal. As I will choose debit card and put my coins here. As you can see, the value has come down. As it value first it was 3.22 dollars, but now it is $3.75. Then you have to select this place order. First of all, you have to go to the Play Store, then search for Gear, Gear Best, and this is the app which I have downloaded and got a free drone. You will also download this app and get free stuff in few seconds or minutes. I will come back with another beautiful video for you. Till then,